Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by enabling screen time and creating a screen time passcode. That passcode is required to change limits later. Once done, open Settings, tap Screen Time, and select Communication Limits. If this is for a child, make sure you're using family sharing and managing their screen time from your device. Otherwise, use the device you want to restrict. Begin on the Communication Limits screen. This is the only place iOS centralizes call, message, and FaceTime restrictions. Next, focus on the two rows, during allowed screen time and during downtime. Tap each to choose who can communicate, everyone, contacts only, or specific contacts. Choose contacts only to restrict unknown numbers or specific contacts to allow a curated list. Add contacts by tapping Add Contacts and selecting from the address book. Once you configure both contexts, iOS will enforce stricter rules during downtime and allow broader access during allowed screen time. Finally, save your choices and test immediately by trying a call or message from an excluded contact. The device should block or silence it per your settings. Make sure the screen time passcode is set so the limits can't be changed without it. Change that under Screen Time, use Screen Time passcode. If settings are grayed out, update iOS, restart, and confirm family sharing and parental controls. These steps resolve most permission or display issues and restore access to communication limits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.